In this example, I will calculate the percentage of remaining amount. John has $6,865. If he pays a debt of $3,229, what is the percentage of remaining amount of John? In this cell, you have total amount value. In this cell, you have debt amount value. To calculate percentage of remaining amount, active this cell, divide the total amount value by debt amount value. As a result, you will get percentage of remaining amount. Enter equal sign, click this cell reference. Enter division operator, click this cell reference. Press enter key. Convert this number to percentage. Again active this cell. Click general arrow button. Click percentage. You have percentage of remaining amount is 47.04%. John has total amount $6,865. He pays a debt of $3,229 from his total amount. His percentage of remaining amount is 47.04%. Again active this cell. In number group, to decrease decimal places of this number, click decrease decimal button. Again click decrease decimal button. Now, to calculate remaining amount of John, active this cell, subtract the debt amount value to total amount value. Enter equal sign. Select the total amount value. Enter subtraction operator. Select the debt amount value. Press enter key. Excel returns the remaining amount in this cell is $3,636. John has total amount $6,865. He pays a debt of $3,229. His remaining amount is $3,636. To check calculated values are calculated correctly, sum the debt amount value and remaining amount value. The result will be equal to total amount value. Active this cell. Enter equal sign. Select the debt amount value. Enter addition operator. Select the remaining amount value. Press enter key. The value of cell reference C8 and the value of cell reference C13 are equal. So calculation is correct because these two values are equal.